today we're going to take a look at apostrophes for possession. So we'll start off with a few examples. Over here we have Nadia, and this is the radio belonging to Nadia. This is Nadia's radio. So if we want to use an apostrophe to show possession, at the end of the person's name we need to put in our apostrophe and add S. So here we have Rachel, and this is the car belonging to Rachel. This is Rachel's car. Here we have Clara, and what is this? A toy. Train. This is Clara's train. Here we have Owen, and here is the dog belonging to Owen. This is Owen's dog, and here's our apostrophe S. This is Kaylee, and Kaylee has a book. So this is Kaylee's book. This is Malik, and Malik has a rocket. This is Malik's rocket. Okay, so these children are talking about birthdays, but there are no apostrophes in their sentence. So they've made mistakes in writing down these sentences. Can we correct them? Let's start over here. So this girl here is saying it is Peter's birthday today. Peter's birthday. Now, what is missing here? We should have an apostrophe between Peter and the S to make it Peter's birthday, because we know the birthday belongs to Peter. Here, Peter is talking about his brother's birthday. So it's not that Peter possesses his brother, okay, because then it would be Peter's brother, but it's the birthday belonging to his brother. So it's brothers is the word that needs to have an apostrophe. So we put an apostrophe between the R and the S. Now the next one here, this boy is talking about the birthday of his sister, or his sister's birthday. So we need to have, in the word sister, we need to have an apostrophe between the R and the S. Sister's birthday. It is my sister's birthday next month. Okay, so here we have Mom bringing out a big birthday cake. Now, who owns what here? So the boy whose birthday it is, he owns the cake. So it is the boy's cake. The boy owns the cake, or it's the cake belonging to the boy. So we should have an apostrophe in the word boys. And the last one, this girl here is talking about her dad's birthday. So we put in an apostrophe between dad and the S. My dad's birthday is in June. Now, there's loads more examples for you to work through. You do not need to write them in your copybook. If you'd like to, you can. But you do not need to write the examples from the slideshow in your copybook. So have a look at the slideshow and practice as much as you can, because all the answers are there, but you don't need to write them down. Just call them out or think about them. Now, if you'd like to write them, that's okay, but you don't need to write them, because we're going to have a look at an activity from our Starlight now. Okay, boys, this is from page 108 in your Starlight, and we're looking again at grammar, or at apostrophes for possession. So today you're going to do this first section here, and we're going to do questions 1 to 6. Okay, so we're going to see in each sentence there is a phrase or an expression of ownership or possession, and we need to use an apostrophe to show this, to show possession. Okay, so let's do the exam. We'll make an example of number 1. Okay, so we'll do that together. The collar belonging to the dog. So it's not just a case of putting an apostrophe in. What we need to do is we need to change the sentence around to show that to show the possession using an apostrophe S. So now it's just telling us that it is the collar belonging to the dog. We need to change the sentence completely, but it's going to be the same to express the same possession. Okay, so we know that the collar is belonging to the dog, but we can change it around to say the dog's collar. Okay, so what you'll be doing for each of these 6 sentences is actually making them shorter. Okay, so best of luck with them. Just number 1 to 6 from E on page 108. Okay, so make sure when you're doing the Minter copybook, you take the usual steps, ruling your copybook and writing your title and your date at the top. Okay, good luck with that work now, boys, today.